Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, my sock needles arrived. Okay, these are, I have never ordered this before. It doesn't show when it was shipped. Okay, here it is. It says date, February 18. Today is March 24. Usually I receive a package, I don't know, between 2 weeks to 4 weeks. This has been over 4 weeks, so I asked the seller to refund me because it wasn't showing anything and there was no tracking number. Okay, here there's a tracking number, but when I track it, it doesn't show anything. So I don't know what happened, but it arrived today. Maybe it was stuck in customs because of there's no tracking number. I couldn't track it. Anyways, yeah, the seller refunded me. I am going to message the seller. So I am going to open this package as soon as I find my scissors here. I can't find them. I don't know what happened. But I'm going to start a sock with you guys with this dragon yarn that I bought from Diva Yarns. And I have unboxing. I'm going to knit a sock for my son. And he's wearing the socks that I knit him. I thought he wouldn't wear them, but he is wearing them. Here it is. So I am opening the package with you. It's not secured or anything. It's not packed securely. Like, there's no bubble. I can feel it. Just can't believe it how they shipped it. Okay, see? Well, they did put it in a... Okay, they did put it in a bag like this. I don't know how people ship their items. Like, I would bubble wrap this. Okay, so these are tiny. So I bought a 2.5. This is the one I usually knit with, and I think most of the socks are knit with 2.5. Okay, let's open this and see. Oh my goodness, can't open it. Well, this is really secure. Oh, wow. Oh, it's pretty. I did went and order Haya, so I will do an unboxing for that as well. This is really stiff. Okay, so this is not bad. Not bad at all for $3.20. Shipping included. I will put the link below. I might go and order more from him. Her name is Julie or Judy, I can't remember. So 30/30. Okay, I have I'm going to do the Turkish cast on method, and then we'll see how this works. I haven't measured the needle. Let's see. We need to compare it to others, I guess. Okay, so this one is 9 centimeter long, so 4.5, just a bit longer, 3.5. It's less than 4 inches. Okay, and the wire is a little bit, yeah. I do have these needles in my stash as well. They're about 3 centimeter, 1 inches and over, less than 1.5 inches. The wire. Yeah, I do have these needles. They are equal to Chaiko. Yeah, Chaiko. Just gonna compare and give you an idea. Okay, here is the needle that I ordered from Wish, I believe, and they came free. I had the whole set, and this is the Chaiko. See, it's similar. Can you look? Even the needles are very, very close. Just want to compare. So if I put the Chaiko, I'm sure it's going to be the same. So don't pay for that super bucks, super money, you know, how much we pay. So I am going to do the Turkish cast on, and then we'll go from there how this is going to turn out. Okay, so we'll find out how this is going to be working. Okay. Okay, so I made a knot. I had to go back and check my tutorial because I forgot. Like, you forget things, right? Okay, so here it is. I put a knot, and the yarn is on this side. And then I think I'm gonna, I haven't seen anybody show how this works. Oh, this needle is thinner. Can you see? It's a little bit thinner than the one on the top. Okay, so I'm going to cast on total of 30. So I'm going to go from the bottom, and I'm just going to do this 30 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, look at the yarn. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, oh wow, this is nice. Okay, so I'm going to grab the other needle, and then I'm going to start knitting. Okay, I was just trying to figure out, usually we pull this needle and then we knit, right? So I don't know how this is going to work. So I am going to, I'm holding this end here, so I'm going to pull it, I guess, this way. I'm not quite sure. And then I'm going to start knitting with this needle. Okay, like I said, I haven't seen this anywhere. I'm just making it up as I'm going, and oh wow. Okay, so just regular knit stitch. It's a little bit tough because this wire is short, right? Let me finish this row and I will be right back. Okay, I just finished knitting this top, and it was really difficult because of the needle. I would in the future I would start with my regular sock needles and then go on to these doing the top, because I just checked other tutorials, and I noticed what people are doing is they're knitting from the cuff down, and I think it's way easier to knit with these needles, but I am sure the more I knit, the more it's going to be better. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide this one and try to pull this one a bit on the wire stuff, you know, where the wire is in the middle, just a little bit space there. And this knot, I'm done with the knot, so I'm just gonna pull this. It's a little bit tight, so just let this go. Yeah, no one, it looks like I checked and no one did a tutorial doing with these needles from the toe up. So I will put the link on how to knit the Turkish cast on methods, starting from the toe up. I like this way better than cuff down. Yeah, see, the second row is way better. Oh yeah, oh definitely. You know what? I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna buy more needles from that seller. It's $3.30 Canadian. Think about it. Yeah. So this is really, really nice. So if you want to see how this process goes, check my my Instagram page. I post pictures there as well, and you can check it out. Yeah, this part is poking my hand because I'm not used to it, right? But oh, definitely, I'm sure the next row is going to be way easier to knit with. I paid $34 for this yarn, and it's splitting. As you can see, it did split. So think about it. Yarn is not cheap. Let me knit a couple of rows and I'll be right back so I can show you how it looks like. So far, I really like these needles and they're nice and sharp. Now I'm thinking back, I ordered that Haya, I paid $50. I think around $50 on Amazon, and I checked it, it's out for delivery. So that did arrive quickly. I hope there's no custom fee, because I already paid so much money for it, right? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I've been knitting. I really, really love these needles. I don't understand why I didn't buy them years ago. These needles came out, I believe, years and years. 2016? Maybe before that? I'm not sure. Because I thought they were pretty expensive. Okay, so by the way, my Haya arrived. It arrived super fast. So I'm going to do a review and unboxing for that one as well. But, well, I'm going to compare, of course. And I really, before, you know, this is the first time I am knitting with these needles. And the beginning was a little bit tough, yeah, because it was really tight. So, I would recommend you to start with your regular needles and then go from there. But for the Haya, I'm going to start cuff down. Okay, and see how fast it goes. It's nice, and again, these are 2.5 millimeter knitting needles, Flexi knitting needles, and I just really like it. So I did my increases. I'm going to do my last increase here and then going to just knit plain. Oops. See? You don't have to worry about magic loop. It goes nice and smooth. Would I recommend it? I would 100% recommend these needles. I really like them. Okay, so I hope you like this short review. I am going to do the unboxing on the Haya, so stay tuned for that. I just love it, love it, love it. And the yarn is nice, but it did split a couple of times. Even I was knitting on the background. Besides in front of the camera I wasn't, but it did split. Every yarn splits, I guess. How much, whichever you pay. Okay, so stay tuned for that Haya. Can't believe that both of them arrived at the same day. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy knitting, everybody. Oh my goodness, I love these needles. Look at this.